Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got something really exciting to share with you. I've got 2 boxes from Holland Barrett and this is what they look like. There's currently around 8 different boxes. I'll go through them all letting you know which ones are available, but I've got the Holland Barrett Christmas Glow gift box. There you go. And I got the Christmas self-care gift box. Currently, on all of these Christmas boxes, they have a buy one, get one half price. Self-care box cost me £20 and it has a value of £41. There is a sleep box for £20. There's a vegan box for £20. There's a CBD box for £20. There's a glow box, which I've got here. This one is £25 and it has a value of £53. Then we've got a premium beauty box for £30. A Beauty Heroes box for £40. And that is it for these Christmas boxes. But just to let you know that they've got a Black Friday sale on and you can get their gorgeous 25-day advent calendar. Instead of £55, you're now able to get it for £35. So I'll pop a link to the page which has all of those boxes and the advent calendar down below in my description. They've had the buy one, get one half price for a while now. So hopefully that'll stay for a while. So you're able to take advantage of the offer if you want to get more than one. But as well as links to Holland Barrett, you'll also find other discount codes, and I've got a Kiehl's advent calendar giveaway running on Instagram at the moment. You'll find that down below in my description as well. So yeah, so let's open up then the self-care gift box, which costs £20. It smells really strongly of lavender, and the reason why is because the spray was loose and I've had a little bit of a leakage, but you can see not much has come out, thankfully. This is Tisserand Real Calm Mood Fix Mist. Lavender, bergamot and patchouli. 98% of people found it easier to feel calm. So it's a spray to aid calmness. Take a moment for yourself to find your inner calm with this relaxing blend of lavender, bergamot and patchouli. And then it just goes on to tell you what I've just read as well. Okay. It's such a nice smell. It's a nighttime relaxation type spray for me because of all the lavender I've got in this bedroom and all the smells and candles and things. So that's the first item. Then we've got some Inner Peace tea bags. These are by Twinings. Sweet vanilla and fig rooibos and ashwagandha, and there's 18 in there. I haven't tried this before, but that sounds absolutely gorgeous. They're all individually packed. But yeah, it says here, for all the soul searchers out there, take 5 minutes with this vanilla and fig rooibos. Suddenly it all seems to make sense. Yeah, really excited to give them a go. Then we've got a candle. This is Light by Aroma Works, Pettigrain and Lavender, 100% natural home fragrance soy wax candle. I love the little jar. I can smell lavender. Yeah. I love candles. Then we've got Skin and Tonic. This is Calm Balm, Lavender, Chamomile and Calendula. Relax and breathe. Feeling frazzled? Need to chill out? This deeply relaxing balm calms your mood, soothes your skin and aids sleep. Massage into the neck, wrists and temples. Apply to your hands and cup over your nose. Breathe in deeply to help calm your mood in moments of stress. And there's 20 grams there. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so nice. Yeah, really like that. A calm balm. Then we got something for your hair. This is Nutritint Hair Food Purple Rice Nourishing Mask. Ideal for dry and parched hair. And there's 30 mils there. Then we've got a Spa Magic Pro Seaweed Mask. A salt infusion, Dead Sea salt, key actives, Dead Sea mud and Laminaria digitata seaweed. And the benefits provide instant radiance and skin soothing. And the reason it's all shiny like that is because of the oil from the spray. It tells you all about the benefits of dead skin mineral mud, about spa self-care, kind to skin and planet, and high performance spa technology. So yeah, lots of information to read. But yeah, this is like in powder form, so you mix it with water. I love the idea of that. And then lastly, we've got a chocolate bar. This is Nomo, No Missing Out. And this is a caramel choc bar, vegan and free from dairy, gluten, eggs and nuts. Oh, that sounds amazing. So yeah, for £20, I think this is such a gorgeous box. But yeah, happy with that. Then on to the Glow box, the Glow gift box. This costs £25 and it has a value of £53. And starting off, we've got some more Twinings tea. This is Glow. This sounds absolutely gorgeous, besides one ingredient, but it doesn't matter. Strawberry and cucumber, with green tea, and aloe vera. It contains biotin as well, which is brilliant for your skin, your nails, your hair. And there's 20 tea bags in there. That just sounds so gorgeous. Yeah, I wonder, yeah, green tea, I don't like the taste of green tea, but hopefully with the strawberry and cucumber, it will sort of not be that strong. How amazing that there are super blend herbal teas with biotin and then aloe vera as well. I love that. Yes, there's that. Next up, we've got a product from Sukin. This is a brightening jelly exfoliator, and this is for dull skin types. There's 125 mils there. So it contains kakadu plum, passion fruit, and yoba. And it's an Australian brand and all natural. So there's that. Then we've got a brightening native state energized face mask with extracts of kakadu plum and kiwi, high in vitamin C to brighten and energize tired and dull looking skin. And it contains Gatuline, a plant-based active that tackles age spots. Wow, okay. Suitable for sensitive skins, and as always vegan and cruelty free. And there's 75 mils there. Got a face mask. Next we've got a product by Q&A. This is vitamin C brightening serum, a powerful antioxidant designed to boost your skin's radiance, brighten and help reduce the appearance of fine lines. And there's 30 mils here. What I love about Q&A is the packaging. Can you see there? It has lots and lots of tick boxes and you're able to see exactly what each product does. So for instance, for this vitamin C serum, it's anti-aging, it's calming, it's not pore minimizing, but it's brightening, collagen boosting and hydrating. It's for oily skins, stressed skins, dry skins, normal skins and combination skins, not suitable for sensitive skins. See, really handy, really simple, easy. Just tells you straight. And that's what it looks like there. I'm not going to open this up because vitamin C has a short shelf life. Next we've got Vitaskin C. This is a vitamin C anti-pollution glow day cream, kiwi seed oil and sea buckthorn oil and sweet orange oil, 99% natural, 100% vegan, and there's 60 mils there. That's what it looks like. Again, I'm not going to open this up just yet. Love the fact that it's in a dark glass jar like this. This hydrating anti-pollution day cream is packed with the highest level of vitamin C and omega oils to give your skin a layer of hydration, preventing pollutants penetrating your pores and keeping your skin looking soft and healthy throughout the day. Yeah, that sounds great. Then we've got a facial exfoliator. This is by So Eco, and yeah, it's a gentle facial buffer. Pull it off. So on one side, you put your fingers in there, and then you've got the buffer on there. It's not harsh at all. I've used these on and off for the last couple of years. I've seen them in different beauty boxes. It's nice and gentle. There's that. And then lastly, we've got some collagen supplements. These are 3,000 micrograms with vitamin C. For healthy skin, collagen is the protein that gives skin its structure and it declines with age. There's 30 tablets here and you're supposed to take 3 a day. I take a lot of supplements. I don't take collagen supplements. I do have collagen powder that I've just recently bought that I'm starting to use in like coffees and things like that. But I'm going to have to look to see what other ingredient like vitamin C and stuff, how much is in there, because I don't want it to counteract with what I'm already taking. But I do like the sound of collagen supplements. Might be cheaper as well than the powder. So there you go. So those are all the products inside the Glow Edit. Again, such a great box. Such a great box. I would have loved to have got them all to share with you. But yeah, CBD one looks amazing. The Beauty Heroes one. I'll see what I can do leading up to Christmas. Really chuffed with them. I think when more and more people find out about these, they'll probably be a sellout. They are so, so good and would make amazing Christmas gifts. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the ones I've shown you? Have you bought any of the others? I'd love to hear what you think of them. Please comment down below. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.